is Miss Dora from Project Return. I hope everyone's doing well and enjoying going out of January as we go into February. So February is really exciting for me since we have Black History Month, so we'll be talking about some of those type of things. And we just got past Gasparilla, so if that's something that you're into, I hope you enjoyed that. But ultimately, today I wanted to come in and kind of piggyback off of last week's lesson where we did based off of narrative writing. So now we're going to get into topic sentences, which a topic sentence is going to normally be in your first paragraph, or the topic sentence might be the first sentence of your paragraph if that's what you're writing. If we're writing a thesis or something longer, instead of having just a topic sentence, we'll have a thesis statement, so it kind of gets a little bit bigger. So these are just topic sentence starters, meaning how we can start a topic sentence, how we can start a thesis statement. These are good ways to introduce your writing to the reader. So I hope you enjoy this and are able to take a lot from it, and let's stay tuned. Bye. So to get started, I've come up with a topic. I want to write about mountain biking, so that's where we're going to go and what the theme of our writing is going to be about. Here's my first example of how I could start my topic sentence using the words if or then. This is a sentence: if you enjoy a thrill, then mountain biking may be an excellent sport for you. If it then allows me to elaborate on what I really want to say as far as, there's a thrill that you might like. We're introducing the idea of mountain biking being that sport. So let's go ahead and explore more in that writing. Another way that I can start my topic sentence would be using the words even though. So in this example, I said, even though mountain biking is strenuous, the excitement and scenery make up for it. Also, another key point is I've used even though to kind of open up the idea, but then I'm also saying what I'm also going to talk about in either the paragraph or in this particular section of the thesis. So the excitement and the scenery would be two things that I would kind of maybe talk about next. I would make a sentence about the excitement and I would make a sentence about the scenery if we're writing something smaller. But this is a good way to introduce another way to write your thesis statement using the words even though to kind of contradict and bring in the reader. Another great way to introduce your topic sentence would be using the word since. Since there are many mountains in Colorado, mountain biking is an excellent summer sport for residents. I like the word since just because it gives me a good segue into talking more about the fact that it's an excellent summer sport for residents, about the fact that there's many mountains in Colorado. So I really enjoy this transition phrase just because it opens up for me to be able to write my sentences or write my thesis a little bit better. And my last example I have here, if we're trying to introduce our topic sentence or thesis statement, is you could say when. For instance, when you are looking for an adventurous sport to try, consider mountain biking. This is another great way to open up your topic or thesis, because when you say when you're looking for an adventurous sport to try, you can give them reasons why it's an adventurous sport, but then also you can give them reasons why you can choose mountain biking. So it gives you a lot more opening to have just a longer thesis, a longer topic sentence, a longer first paragraph, just to give you a lot more things to talk about. So this is a really great option, is talking about when, because it's talking about the time and things like that. The main thing to remember when we're talking about your topic sentence, your thesis, your first paragraph, we always want to make sure that your topic sentence is telling the reader what is the main idea or what your writing is mostly about. You really don't want to have a lot of jumbled words or jumbled sentences or thoughts going on where the reader can't get a clear idea of what the rest of the writing or reading is going to be about. If you have a good, clear topic sentence, they're able to say, okay, I know it's about mountain biking and I do have an interest in this, so let me continue to learn and read more. All right, that's it for now in regards to your topic sentences going into any type of writing that you're working on. But it is important to really identify and tell your reader what your statement is going to be about, whether it's a narrative, persuasive, and bibliography, whatever you're writing, you want the person to know what it's going to be about. A lot of times some people will read the first paragraph or first sentence and say, I'm not really interested in it. There's no real clear, defined way that this reading is going, so maybe I'll move on. But if you have a good, strong topic sentence or thesis statement, you'll be good to go to engage your reader, and they'll want to know more about what you're talking about. It's been really fun. I hope you are enjoying the content in this regard. Hopefully we can keep this going in regards to maybe talking about more writing things. If you have any questions for me, definitely stop by in the office. I'll be here to talk to you. We're also going to be making t-shirts, so if you haven't already gotten with me about your t-shirts, I look forward to talk to you about that. We're going to be working on the design on the computer, so I'll be helping out with that, and then we'll also be working on pressing the design onto your shirts so that you'll see how that process works in general. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. It's Dora. Bye.